Hey guys, this is me, Slick here. You probably recognize me from Gmail, and I'm gonna get my new account, so our creator won't be like snooping around there, so. Um, and as you can see, I'm making an Ask Me question, Ask Me stuff video. Um, trust me, it's gonna be weird. We have no scripts, because scripts are gonna take forever to write, and our accounts are going to be our names. Slip the Cat, Sparky, Crypto, Tickles, Waffles. Yeah, dumb. So, our lazy was too very lazy. Our creator was, like, really lazy, and she didn't want to color us. So, you're going to be seeing old school stuff. Let me just tell you something. If you see Sparky crying throughout my videos, he's crying about his cookie. His cookie that I ate a month ago. We have 12 packs of cookies, but he's still crying about that one. I really don't know what's up with that kid. So, we shall be seeing new animatronics throughout this video, and maybe even Fazbear's crew. Even though they live like 1,000 blocks away from us. But they'll be coming in very rarely, so just be sure to look out for them. Yeah. So this is Asklick, and in the comments below, ask me questions about how is it like being an animatronic, and other questions. Please don't make them embarrassing for us. It's just really, I don't see what's so funny about embarrassing us. It's not right. So yeah, this is Slick here, and um um oh okay. Have a nice day or night, whatever time zone you're in. Okay, bye. Okay, so just so you know, the animatronics are gonna have their own YouTube accounts, and they're not gonna be online. Only the pilots. So just like Slick said before, make sure to watch out for Fazbear's Freddy's crew, because they shall be in very rarely. Yeah, and I got a new background. So yeah, ask us questions, we'll answer them, but each animatronic is gonna have questions about them. If you wanna ask questions to the guy about another person, then that's allowed. So like, for example, for the guy and guy thing, he's like, what's wrong with Sparky and his cookie? Yeah, like those. So be sure to like, subscribe for more animatronic videos, and maybe if I get at least 5 subscribers and learn how to make try not to laugh videos, I'll make them of the animatronics and bloopers for sure. So, oh, also, we need some auditioners. Yeah, the thing is about that though, we need a way to contact you. So, open auditions for animatronics will be set when I start making more videos of them. And that's really much it.